nice. Ooh, the smell is to die for. Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty by Faye. If you are new here, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And remember, I upload on Mondays and Thursdays, so make sure you come back and check for new videos when I do upload. So, I went shopping. Yes, I went online shopping. I bought some stuff from Sephora, and I bought some stuff from Amazon, and I bought some stuff from Murphy. So I am here to show you guys what I got. I'm so excited to be using some of this stuff. All of these stuff are new products that I have not used before. So you guys are going to be experiencing these with me. So I will do a review of all of these products so you guys can see how it turned out. And remember, I have oily skin, so your girl is always looking for new products to combat this oily skin. Okay, I'm going to be starting off with something I got from Amazon, and this is a brush set. So this brush set came with something to clean your brushes with. So it looks like this. It came with a beauty blender, and it came with 10 brushes. So these brushes are so soft, and I can't wait to use these. This brush is from e.l.f. and I got this from Old Navy, and this is a flawless concealer brush. I do not own a concealer brush right now, so I'm excited to use this one. So next, this is an oil control primer mist, and I am so excited to be using a new primer because you guys know I have been using the same primer for forever. So this one I am pretty excited for this one. And up next I have this brush, and this is a blending brush. So I have a couple of these before. I know how they work. They are pretty decent for inexpensive brushes. So if you're looking for inexpensive brushes that you don't have to spend a bunch of money, get one of these. This one also is from Old Navy, and this is a highlighter brush. Right now I use one highlighter brush that I got from Juvia's Place, and I'm excited to try this because I've never used a highlighter brush from e.l.f. So, and I've heard a lot of good things about these brushes, so I'm excited to use this one also. So I am going to be moving on to the stuff that I got from Sephora, and this is a new foundation that I want to try, and this is the Urban Decay foundation, and this is the all-nighter liquid foundation. It's supposed to be full coverage. I have not tried it yet, but everyone raves about it. I've seen some good reviews about it, so I am excited to see what this will do for me, and I'll let you guys know how it turned out. So I've got another concealer brush, and this one is from Sephora, and it is the magnet concealer brush. So it's an angle concealer brush, so it looks like this. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks. It's so pretty, and it's super soft, so I can't wait to try this one. So next I have this Kat Von D lipstick. This is a cream lipstick, and this is in the shade Pumpkin. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks. I think this will be a really pretty shade on dark skin tones. Look at it. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's like more of an orangey shade. Okay, next lip color that I got from Sephora, and this one is a Rouge lip tint. I've never worn a lip tint, but I just love the color. Look at this color. The color is so pretty. It's like a dark shade for like when you're not doing too much sharp or dramatic makeup, I feel. So I am going to be trying this one, and this says it's long lasting, so who does not like long lasting stuff? I got some makeup wipes, and these are mini makeup wipes. These are great for put it in your purse, or you can use them at home. And they were really cheap. They were $2.50 per pack. They were on sale, and I just grabbed up a few of these. I think I bought in total 5 of these. I've used about 2 already, and they are really good at removing your makeup. And all of these products came with samples, so your girl don't like to waste nothing. So I will be using these samples to see how it turns out, to see if I want to purchase the full-size version of these samples. These other stuff that I bought from Morphe, and this one I am super hella excited for this one. So this one is the James Charles palette, and this is the mini version. I can't imagine how big the full-size version is, because this one, I feel like this one is so super big. And check out the colors. Oh my gosh, I'm thinking of endless possibilities what I can create with this. So make sure, stay tuned. I think my next look is going to be from this palette. So guys, stay tuned for this look. It's so pretty. All the colors are vibrant. I did a little swatch and I love it. I went ahead and purchased this brush set. I don't know why I keep saying brush set. Oh my god. So it came with in this package, and it came like this. It has 2 clasps at the edge, maybe easy for us to carry our stuff with us wherever we go. And it came with let me see how many brushes. It came with 7 brushes, and I tell you, these brushes are really nice. Some of them are natural bristles and some of them are synthetic. So I think the white are natural bristles, and I think the black ones are synthetic. So I am so excited to be using this brush. I have another set of stuff coming from Morphe, so maybe if they come in time, I will do a whole look using only Morphe products. I love shopping. This virus did not stop me from getting in on my shopping, okay? So next, I was hearing a lot of stuff about Real Technique brushes, and I got this one off Amazon, and it was really affordable. And I actually needed a new foundation brush because the one I have, I think it's a little bit too big, and I feel like this is the perfect size. It's super soft, it's dense, and it got nice weight to it. I'm going to be trying out all of these stuff in my future videos. I feel like I got a great collection here with lipsticks, foundations, wipes, everything. Like, oh, and I almost forgot, I got the Morphe matte continuous setting spray. Ooh. And it comes like this. It's like an aerosol can. I've never tried it. I'm going to see how it comes out. Ooh, nice. Ooh, the smell is to die for. Like, it's like watermelon or something. I don't know. It smells good. But this is my little shopping spree that I did online. I splurged on myself, and I am super happy about it. I feel like I have a whole new makeup collection that I am proud of. I cannot wait to try these to show you guys how it turns out. I feel like this is going to create a bomb ass look. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the video. This will be the end of my video. I don't want to make this video too long. I am so overjoyed with my collection here. Before I get going, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit that post notification bell, leave me a comment down below in the comment section. Tell me what you think, if you have tried any of these products, if you are planning to purchase any of these products, let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.